That's what Kashish did.
It was totally unnecessary. In fact, when Kashish was talking to me about it, me, Sara, and Kashish were talking about it. And when Kashish was saying all this, I said, but he's never even passed an ounce of flirtatious vibe with any of the women in the house. So I don't feel it at all. Then she was like, no, I was flirting along. I was flirting. And he was just responding back. But my thing is not that he was saying, let's create an angle for the show.
Yeah.
So initially I said, I bought that fact because I knew that from this side, I've heard only one side of the story. So I said, I bought the fact that not that he's flirtatious. In fact, I told him that I told her that he doesn't pass that vibe at all. But I bought the fact that maybe an angle he's trying to tell you to create an angle for the show, because I call him Nautanka. Okay, so much Nautanka. Oh no, you call Nautanki here. Yeah. I say Nautanka. Okay, like boy, no, you're Nautanka. Yeah. Okay, so much drama for the show, and he says, I want to be an entertainer. He's like that, okay?
Yeah.
So I was like, if that he's telling you to create an angle for the show, then it's wrong. But when I heard Avinash and when I heard the whole thing, I was like, no, not at all happening. This girl is trying to project that or amplify it to an extent where she gets limelight. And you can't do this for limelight. And in fact, it's better not to have limelight rather than get this kind of limelight.
Yeah,
you know, and even if you saw the clip, I feel on a scale of 10, if she was flirting 10 on 10, I think this guy was 2.0. He didn't even respond back. You know, if someone would respond back like this to me, I would feel dejected. I was like, please, it's okay. I get your point.
She came across, she kept saying that she's a feminist, but she's also put down Isha, right? She character shamed Isha, where she claimed without any proof that Avinash and Isha are like dating and they are planning to do this. You stayed with them. Do you feel like there is any amount of truth to that, like them dating?
See, they are very fond of each other. Their bond is very cute. And I feel it's somewhere above friendship, but definitely not got into a relationship. And they're very, very... And you know, Nayan, in that house, when you have no diversion, you have no phone, you have nothing. And when you're getting close to someone on that level, it's very, very difficult to draw lines.
Yeah.
You tend to become emotionally dependent on them for everything. So I feel it's somewhere that phase, you know, that they're facing. And there's nothing ugly to it.
Absolutely.
There's not
purity.
It's pure, and there's not a time when we have like, okay, we are not supposed to see this. Not a time. In fact, they share the same bed, but it's never like, you know, okay, what are they doing? Never. It's been clean.
Yeah.
And it's been cute.